What?
I'm not cheap today. Give me 10, number 10.
And it's gone.
I'm holding it.
Work on cars, we said. It's gonna be easy, we said. It's fun and not stressful at all. Safe. Show your finger again. Rokas had to clean up a mess, the tools and everything else, but as always, after a good amount of work, he's sleeping under the car. Good night. Hello again, we are back to the workshop and today it's time to remove the engine from E30. We are going to remove all the parts like hood and everything else in order to remove the engine. As you can see, car is already on the lift. We already showed you multiple times how we are lifting cars, so we are not going to do that again. The interior almost fully stripped. There are a few wires left over here and we were unable to remove them without removing the engine and the fuel tank. So we're gonna do that later. Also, the doors still here, the boot still here, not boot, sorry, boot lid. And yeah, I think enough of talks, let's get to works. Rokas, what do you think?
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
He was almost sleeping here while I was talking, so it's better to give him some work rather than leave him alone. Let's go. Let's start. Need to remove these.
My side is okay.
Fully removable?
Yeah.
I bet you're gonna need to remove these nuts or bolts. I don't know how it's called. I still missing the words. What's that? 10 millimeter or 13? How much?
13.
13. Small for you and big for me.
Okay, 10.
What?
I'm not cheap today. Give me 10, number 10.
When you drink vodka, the thing is that you have to take little sippy poos. Just little wee sippy poos. Wrap around. Ta-da! For fuck's sakes!
You're such a productive person today. Very much productive, such wow. In that case, this is for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need to remove this one also, somehow. And it's gone.
I'm holding it.
I almost died. You're very good at the holding parts. Professional parts holder. Okay, one moment. You can lift it up. Hold that also. Very good. You can, I don't know, dance with it or put it on the wall. Bye bye. Good luck. It was fun. Don't scratch it. Good one. Rokas, we need our trusty bucket.
Here you go.
Let's remove the leftovers of the engine and everything else. What do you think? We're going to find some coolant inside or no?
No.
No way?
No way.
Everything's so messed up here that it's gonna be really tricky. I don't even know where to start. Really, like, this is so messed up.
It's a mess.
It's a mess. And everything is messed up. Okay, let's lift it up. Let's remove the front bumper, the leftovers of the headlights, I think. Maybe this also. It's gonna be such a huge mess in the workshop. I think let's remove everything, whatever we can. For example, here is like just a huge pile of headlight. I don't know.
Just like that.
It was good part. No, it's not.
Not anymore.
Do you have anything left to save? No. I think we can just destroy it and that's it. Because oh God. Oh, you are using tools.
Yes.
I'm definitely going to use something else. And you know what I'm going to bring. And that's our big boy. At some point it was a headlight.
Something is leaking out.
Where that came from? We just washed our floor yesterday. Today we're going to do the same. I love salvage cars, especially the burned ones. A little bit broken, just a little bit. But as we still have to remove and exchange whole front end, so not a big deal. Oh, AC condenser. Wanna try one more time?
Why not?
It's the same with BRZ.
No, it's it stinks.
Now we need to remove that one bolt, so eyes don't die. That lovely sound. Good? You are not that tall. Taller than me, but not that tall. Oh yeah. You can use that on your Honda. Everything for Honda. Honda is a great car. Drive Honda. It's gonna be fun, they said. Honda is a great car. Okay. We need to remove that hose. And on this side, we need to remove that also. For strong man, no problem. Look at the axis right now. It looks like you are struggling.
A little bit.
What's up?
Struggling with addiction.
Struggling with addiction? You got some struggles with addiction. Addiction. You're addicted to multiple things. For example, to Hondas. That's one addiction.
I love Honda.
You love Hondas? As I said, that's addiction. There's nothing to be proud about. Yeah. Oh yeah! What a wonderful engine. Fully reusable part.
Do we have some oil?
Try to smell it. Smell inside. Maybe there will be some. Okay. I think, you know what we're gonna do? We're going to use some Bulgarian music.
Bulgarian music.
Yeah.
Which song? Heavy metal.
Heavy metal sound, yeah. We will be able to remove this one, so it won't get our hands anymore. For a strong man, no problem. Look, it's like, you can use it like a doors. Open and close. Don't do that to your cars. I don't understand why I'm doing that, but I'm just having fun with this burnt E30. Because firefighters had some fun opening the hood. How was this song? He's still playing drums. Let me put my safety glasses also. Okay, now we have some access. What we're gonna do next? Let's disconnect all the hoses for AC.
New gloves.
Your new gloves. You just broke your new gloves. I will buy you the new ones. So let's undo all the hoses. Let's release them from AC condenser. After that, we can remove the exhaust. Also, we have to remove the distributor. Pam, pam, pam. It smells like something is burning right now. Rokas, maybe that's you?
No, why?
Because of your addictions. Your addictions. Give it to me. Please and thank you.
What to do? No?
What did it say? What?
I don't want to break it.
Please and thank you. I don't want to break it. Easy. Work on cars, we said. It's gonna be easy, we said. It's fun and not stressful at all. Safe. So we removed all the hoses, all the wiring, and what's left after the fire. Now we need to remove the engine mounts, the exhaust, and some gearbox bolts. So we will be able to lift the engine using engine lift and remove it. After that, it will be easier to clean up what's left behind and the wiring and so on. So yeah, let's remove the exhaust. I guess this is definitely not the original one, but it says BMW. Rokas, think fast. Oh, we got some problems to be repaired. So, we need to remove drive shaft. We have to remove the nuts of the gearbox mount. Also, I know why. Gearbox fill plug is almost open. I don't know why. Maybe someone was trying to do something with it. Here's also, you can see how it holds. What should we do next? Gearbox? Yeah. Gearbox. I think it's time to make a break, to wash our hands because everything is covered in oil, and to clean up a little bit. After that we are going to continue with engine removal, but that's gonna be a different procedure.
God, okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait.
As it requires engine lift and everything else. So yeah, Rokas, you're going to spend some time under the car? Because you're gonna need to lift the gearbox in order to get it out that way.
1 hour later.
We had a break, we took something to eat, now you're happy? Full and happy. So we can continue to work. Sorry, making a noise with the chains. We got ready our lift. We're going to use it in order to remove the engine, but you got strong hands, you are doing push-ups. You can take the engine out by your hands.
Not today.
Not today, because of your
Bad.
bad situation.
My belly hurts.
Your belly hurts? Okay, let's move on. Let's continue and go home. So I don't have to see your face anymore. It's Sunday. Show your figure again. It's Sunday. Why I'm spending time with you while I should be resting? We could do a Titanic.
You read my thoughts?
I think you would look best under the car right now. Excuse me? Any last wishes?
Well, just call my mama.
Just call your mama.
It's very low. I'm afraid of touching spaces.
Yeah, because when looking into you, you should be, because you won't be able to get out with your weight and belly. Feeling good?
No.
No, you can stay there. You're looking good there. Okay, we got one belt. Look how you look.
Lost my cap. Okay, back.
Should I get you out? Now we need to undo bolts, not bolts, sorry, nuts of the engine mounts. I think on this side there's nothing left to undo. Yeah, it's already melted. I believe that we will be able to save this engine. Just, you know, it's gonna take some work, but we're gonna build the stroker out of it, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, let's put the pallet under.
Do you want to put the engine here?
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's lift the car. How does it look like?
Pretty okay.
Okay, so we got already 2 engines waiting, and now the third one. It's engine and BMW's graveyard. Yeah, fun stuff. I think that's enough for today. What do you think?
Yeah. I think we did a lot.
Yeah, and we still need to clean up the mess around. That's gonna take us an additional 2 hours or something. Also, we are not going to remove everything here inside the workshop. We're going to take it outside because it's gonna be a mess, a huge mess. So what's left for us is to remove the fenders, boot lid, doors, and some other parts to prepare it for sandblasting or media blasting. I don't know what's gonna be used in order to blast it. Also, we're going to remove these parts that are burned. Still, lots of work to do, but for today that's definitely more than enough, and I'm happy what we already did, and we can continue with our project. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment what do you think. If you have any parts, let us know in the comments or drop us a message to the Instagram. We're constantly looking for parts. Right now what we are really looking for is the right corner. Maybe it's right on my side right now, but the corner of this side, the OEM one, if you have any, please let us know. We would love to buy it because it's discontinued. Other parts are still available, for example, the front end still available to order. And yeah, we want to keep it as OEM as possible, but it depends on the parts that we will be able to get. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and see you next time. One more thing. Rokas had to clean up the mess, the tools and everything else, but as always, after a good amount of work, he's sleeping under the car. Good night.